Okay, you've got your students interested and engaged. So, how do you keep them engaged when the going gets rough and to persist through challenges? How can we help students monitor their own progress, set goals, and make plans to achieve those goals? This guideline addresses those questions. Provide options for sustaining effort and persistence. Heighten salience of goals and objectives. First, review the learning goals and objectives and make sure they are relevant to your students. Consider what they are trying to achieve and why it is important or interesting or even useful. Show them an example of a completed goal. For example, if the goal is to write a strong, persuasive essay, show them a really good persuasive essay. Explain what makes it good. You can do this through rubrics, annotations, and discussions. Vary demands and resources to optimize challenge. Make sure the learning goals are challenging enough to be worth pursuing, but without being so daunting as to inspire a fear of failure. Further, change how your students conceptualize failure by having them focus on process, effort, and progress toward accomplishing their goals. Use scaffolds to support growth. Foster collaboration and community. Collaboration and communication are two of the 4 big C's of 21st century learning. Allow students to collaborate. Facilitate that collaboration so that each student benefits from being part of the group. Set norms, roles, and expectations for groups, and meet with them to discuss their goals and objectives, as well as their experiences in the process. Increase mastery-oriented feedback. Learning for mastery is focused on continued improvement rather than a predetermined level of proficiency. To foster learning for learning's sake, emphasize the role of effort over innate ability and improvement. If students see their abilities as fixed, they are less likely to set challenging goals or persist through difficulty. Provide feedback on specific behaviors they can change or refine to improve performance. Also, guide them to resources that will help them make those changes. Ensure this feedback is actionable. Actionable feedback promotes action and change. Check out the UDL guidelines available through the resources to go more in depth on each of these checkpoints.